$2,172 in June of 2020 was the first side hustle income that I ever earned. Things have since changed. I'm now earning tens of thousands of dollars every single month via multiple different income streams, but that side hustle was easy money, and I was able to start earning that money on the very same day that I started. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what that side hustle is and how you can get started with it straight after this video, but I'm also going to give you other side hustle ideas where you can earn a lot more. I'm talking anywhere from $2,000 right up to $10,000 every single month. And all I ask of you before we get started is that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to give you 5 high-paying and realistic side hustles that you can literally get started with straight after this video. So let's get into it. The first side hustle allows you to make money by selling your own voice, or by turning your voice into passive income on ElevenLabs.io, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. And though I'm not talking about recording your voice and selling a voiceover on a freelancing website such as Fiverr.com, this is something completely different, only available as of 2 weeks ago thanks to the power of AI. Over on ElevenLabs, you can literally turn your voice into passive income, and you can start making money with this in only a few minutes from now. The first step is to upload a recording of your own voice, or to create a professional voice clone. The second step is to share that recording or share your voice in ElevenLabs voice library, and the third step is to simply earn money every single time that somebody uses your voice. I'm going to show you right now exactly how we do that. So if you click onto my link in the description box below for ElevenLabs, the first step is you want to make sure that you click onto this symbol right here. You then want to click onto where it says voices as such, and you simply want to click onto where it says add generative or cloned voice, which is where you're going to upload a recording of your voice for it to be cloned. So I'll click onto it right here, and you'll then see these options, and you want to make sure that you click onto this option at the bottom where it says professional voice cloning. Now, I've already uploaded a recording of my voice, so I've reached my limit, but if you click onto that, guys, and you follow the subsequent steps, you'll basically need to upload a 30-minute recording. That's the only work you'll need to do of your own voice, so that you can teach the AI exactly what your voice sounds like. And once you've done that, you'll see your cloned voice available in the ElevenLabs voice lab section, as you can see mine right here. And to start making money with your cloned voice, you want to share it over on the ElevenLabs voice library. Here we can already see a ton of people sharing their cloned voices. For example, here we have Marcus. He has a middle-aged American male accent. He has an authoritative and deep voice, and we can see over 380,000 people have used his cloned voice, with over 1.3 billion characters of audio generated. The more characters of audio generated for our voice, the more money that we can make. So let me show you how we share our cloned voice to the ElevenLabs voice library. You want to go back over to the voice labs right here, and you want to click onto this icon, and you just want to toggle this right where it says sharing. And you want to do the same for where it says discovery in voice library, and you want to make sure that you toggle this right to enable financial rewards. You can then set your notice period, which is the amount of time that you want your voice to be made available in the ElevenLabs voice library. I'm going to select 180 days, for example. And here is where you can choose your rate, or the amount of money that you want to charge when your voice is used. I'm going to keep mine at the default rate, which is 2 cents for every 1,000 audio characters generated. Doesn't sound like a lot, but as we saw in the ElevenLabs voice library, there are people who have had over 2 billion audio characters generated, and that is pure passive income. You can then choose to toggle this right to have live moderation enabled. ElevenLabs basically has a list of prohibited places where your voice can be used, so if that's a concern, you can also toggle that right. You then want to make sure that you click onto where it says next right here. Here is where you can select a few different labels to describe your voice, such as the accent, the gender, the use case that you think your voice may be most suited to. For example, if you have a very calm and soothing voice, you may want to select narrative and storytelling, because people might want to use your voice for an audiobook, for example. They can also use your voice for social media, entertainment, advertisements. There are a ton of use cases. You can also select your age and be descriptive. For example, do you have a calm voice, a casual voice, chill, classy, and so on? You then want to make sure that you click onto next again, and you just want to read the terms and conditions before clicking these two boxes, before clicking onto where it says I agree. And once your cloned voice has been added to the ElevenLabs voice library. For our voice to be cloned and for us to start earning a passive income, people can literally click onto where it says use right here, and they can clone our voice in two different ways. The first is via text-to-speech, or the second is with speech-to-speech. So let me give you an example of the text-to-speech voice cloning feature. I'm going to type in some random text into this text box right here, and then click onto where it says generate. Hey friends, it's Justin here. Drop a comment below to let me know what you think of this side hustle. Would you sell your voice? Also, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new here. You're an absolute legend. There you go, guys. It does sound entirely accurate. Do smash that like button. Now, obviously, this is a new side hustle. I think it is really promising. It just involves 30 minutes of work recording our voiceover. If you already have an audio recording available, just upload that, but it does need to be 30 minutes long. Now, another side hustle, the next one, which is more tried and tested, it's one that I use personally, and you can also make it into something more than a side hustle to start earning a full-time income, to earn a ton of money, is with Pinterest affiliate marketing. And if you're new to affiliate marketing, the way it works is you can literally head over to an affiliate marketing network such as clickbank.com, and you can start making money by promoting a wide range of these different affiliate products, each contained within different product categories and niches. So in this example, I've selected the languages niche. Here we can see some affiliate products within this niche. This languages course right here will pay us on average over $105 every single time that somebody purchases this languages course via our affiliate link. This one will pay us over $175. Now, to get your affiliate link and to start promoting it, what you can do, guys, is you can literally click onto where it says promote right here before clicking onto where it says create hot link, and there is our affiliate link. And Pinterest is one of the best and easiest ways to start making money with affiliate marketing. Let's say that we wanted to start promoting that ClickBank languages course. You can do so by following these steps. Step one would be to head over to canva.com, and you simply want to use any one of their Pinterest pin templates, and you can filter down even further. If I type in travel in the search bar right here, hit enter, here you can see we can select from a wide range of these different travel Pinterest pin templates. So you simply want to take a look, and you just want to select a pin that you like the look of. And I've selected this one right here. So here is our Pinterest pin template, and you can edit any of this text, any of these elements, this image. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Now, because we are going to be promoting this ClickBank affiliate product where we can learn a wide range of different languages, including French, what I'm actually going to do, guys, is I'm going to create an entire month's worth, or 30 Pinterest pins, each of which containing a travel tip for visiting France. And where it says click here, I want to say something like click here to learn French. Not in those words, but let me show you exactly how we're going to do that in just one click using AI. So you want to head straight over to ChatGPT, and you want to give it a query like this. I've said, give me 30 travel tips of France, with one column stating the tip, another column stating the elaboration, and the final column stating in all capital letters, Master French, talk with locals. I'm then going to hit enter, and we'll end up with a table like this for our 30 Pinterest pins. So the next step is you want to make sure that you copy this entire table as such, head back over to our Pinterest pin template, and on the left hand side here, you want to make sure that you click onto where it says apps right here, and in the search bar, you want to type in the word bulk for bulk create, and you want to make sure that you click onto where it says bulk create right here before clicking onto where it says enter data manually. And you simply want to paste that table from ChatGPT in just like this before clicking onto where it says done. And here you'll see our 3 column headers from our table right here, which you want to replace with these 3 lines of text right here. I'll show you how to do the first one, guys. So you want to make sure that you click onto where it says your travel guide. You want to right click it, click onto where it says connect data, and I'm going to simply click onto where it says tip, and you should see this writing come up as such. And you want to do exactly the same for these 2 lines of text right here, which I've just done. I'm then going to click onto where it says continue, and I'm then going to click onto where it says generate 30 designs to create our 30 Pinterest pins in literally one click. And in just one click, we have 30 Pinterest pins, which we're now ready to upload over to Pinterest, each of which contain a different French travel tip. The first one says learn French phrases essential for communication. The second one is try try local cuisine, savor authentic flavors. The only thing that you need to do, guys, is you need to make sure that you replace each one of these different images, which I've already done for this second one right here. And to do that, you just want to click onto where it says photos on the left hand side, and in the search bar I literally typed in French cuisine before dragging in that image. And when you do upload your pins over to Pinterest, just make sure that you add a relevant title, a description, and of course your affiliate marketing link. And anytime anybody clicks onto that link via your Pinterest pin and purchases that online language learning course, you're going to get paid over $105 for every single person who does that. Now guys, I do realize that was a lot to cover for Pinterest affiliate marketing. I've actually put together a complete Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial, which I'm going to link to at the end of this video. Now this next side hustle has the potential to be a lot more than just a side hustle. It can be extremely profitable. It's all about passive income, and I'm talking about selling digital products, specifically ebooks, on Amazon. And I want to start by showing you just how much money that people are making on Amazon by doing this. Take a look at this book right here, guys, the 5-Minute Journal. This is what's considered a low content book. If we look inside this book, as you can see, guys, little to no content inside it. It's essentially just a journal where people can note down highlights of the day, what they learned today, and so on. And we can actually see just how many of these books have been sold in the past month, over 4,000, going at over $28 each. And what I love about this side hustle is literally anybody can do this. We can make a ton of money, and this is pure passive income, and it can be extremely easy, guys. So this is a low content book. If we take a look at this book right here, really cool cover, but if we look inside it, there's nothing. It's literally just lined paper, and they're making a ton of money, and we can do exactly the same. Literally anybody can start listing their own ebooks for sale on Amazon to start generating a passive income. You can list all types of ebooks, including no content books, crossword puzzles, maze activity books. Now, to start making money with this side hustle, it does require a little bit of upfront learning. Now, although I don't have my own tutorial that I can link to, I've actually got better. I've partnered up with Sophie Howard's Kindle Publishing Income, which is the sponsor of today's video. When it comes to selling digital products, ebooks on Amazon, this is Sophie's world, guys. She's been doing this for around 6 years now. She is herself a best-selling author, and she's taught thousands of students. And she's actually put together a free webinar, which I'll link to in the description box below, where Sophie will cover everything you need to know to start making a passive income by selling your own ebooks on Amazon. So if you are interested in this highly lucrative side hustle, I strongly recommend checking out that free training, which I'll link to in the description box below. Now, this next side hustle is close to my heart, guys. It is the first side hustle that I ever started. I mentioned it at the beginning of this video, and that is teaching English online. So when I was doing this side hustle back in 2020, I was literally earning $9.50 every 25 minutes taught, as you can see right here. Now, not a lot of money by any stretch. I was earning a lot more at the time in my corporate 9-to-5 role, but I was just so excited at the prospect of being able to earn an online income on the side, and it was super easy to earn as well. This side hustle is available to absolutely everyone, and there are a ton of websites that you can use to start making money by teaching English or other languages online. And the first one, guys, is Preply.com, and you don't even need to be a native English speaker to start making money with this website. You can be an English tutor, a Spanish tutor, Italian, and so on, and it's super easy to get started. I can literally scroll down to the bottom of the page right here, click onto where it says become a tutor, which I've already done, and you'll then be taken to a page like this, and you just want to enter in a few simple details about yourself, upload a photo, let them know about your availability when you're available to start teaching, and you can also set your pricing or your rate. Now, I've done some research, guys. The average rate that people charge when they are teaching over on Preply.com is around $20 an hour. Now, there are no qualifications required to get started, although if you do have some qualifications, such as an English degree, for example, it may help your profile and may attract more students. Now, another website that anybody can use to start teaching English online in a very different way, in more of a conversational style, is over at Cambly.com. where you'll literally get paid for having conversations or chatting with people from all around the world. This has got to be the easiest side hustle that I've ever heard of, and literally anybody can do it. There are no qualifications required, and you're only having conversations with people. You don't need to do any lesson planning or anything like that. And you do get paid weekly, but you do get paid a lot less than you would on websites such as Preply.com, which is around $20 an hour. Cambly is closer to $10 or even up to $12 an hour. And you can earn even more by going over to websites such as tutorabc.com or vipkid.com. Now, their entry requirements are slightly higher, guys. For example, tutorabc.com do require you to have a bachelor's degree, and they do prefer if you already have at least a year of online English teaching experience. Now, at vipkid.com, they also require you to have a degree, but they also want you to have work authorization in the US or Canada, which basically means the students over on vipkid.com want the English teacher to be teaching them in an American or Canadian accent. Now, this next final side hustle uses the best AI video clipping tool that I've seen yet, and that's over at Opus Clips. And the way that Opus Clips works is we can literally upload any long-form video either via a YouTube link, or we can upload a file, for example, before clicking onto where it says get clips in one click. And in literally one click, the AI will basically analyze that long-form video and clip it in such a way that it will identify the most engaging parts of that video that are most likely to go viral. And I've just tried this out, guys. I uploaded one of my long-form videos, and it's given me a ton of these different short-form clips. So let's hit play on the first one and see what the AI has generated for us. So the very first step to getting started with affiliate marketing is choosing your niche. And there are so many different affiliate products that you can choose from, spanning a wide range of different niches, such as technology, health and fitness, clothing, finance. All right, that looks absolutely awesome. It's basically taken a part from the middle of the video, identified it as the most engaging part that's most likely to go viral, and brought it to the beginning of the video. And it's given me these awesome captions as well. And we can easily edit any of these AI generated short form clips by clicking onto this edit pencil tool right here. You'll then be taken to a screen like this, and we can literally change the different caption styles. We can zoom in, zoom out. You can add auto emojis. There's a ton of different things that you can do, including trimming these videos so that they're 60 seconds or shorter, which is perfect for TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and of course, YouTube Shorts. Now, there are a few ways that you can make money from this, guys, depending on what you want to do. Like if you're starting your own YouTube channel and you're looking to get monetized on YouTube, for example, YouTube Shorts can really help to boost the number of subscribers that you can get, which can massively speed up that monetization. Alternatively, you can sell this as a paid service. You can go over to a freelancing tool such as Fiverr.com. There's a lot of demand for these clipped videos, guys. Here you can see, for example, someone's charging $35 for creating Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and so on. Someone here is doing exactly the same for $40, and one of the more experienced Fiverr freelancers is charging as much as $95. And I'm keen to know in the comment section below, guys, let me know, for those of you already doing a side hustle, or if you're looking to start one soon, maybe after watching this video, what is your preference? Are you completely happy sort of continuing to work at your current role and just earning a bit of extra money on the side with a side hustle? Or are you planning to sort of start a side hustle which can eventually earn you enough money so that you can replace your current full-time role? Very keen to know that. And if you got value from this video, please make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every single time that I release a new online money making video. Take care.